stopping what I do. Ain't no stopping what I do. If it ain't big, then it's my new. You ain't ready to die for this class, though you're like tennis shoe. I can see right through you, that little image you portray ain't true. Social media got you thinking you really like that, that's not true. Biggie Smalls give me the loot, all my dogs ready to shoot. I keep the dope in my pool, I take your girl if she cute. She say you a fruit, I got the juice.
What's up, guys? We at the bus stop, ready to go back to Puerto Plata. But let me show you what's available when you're waiting at the bus stop. My bus don't leave till like 2:30. It's like 1:30. So we good to go. We can get some grub. Let me show y'all where to go when y'all have that stop, that long stop. Y'all need to get something to eat in Santiago. This is where it's at, guys, right here. You'll be right here. You turn around right here. Let me show you guys right quick. You'll see Pizza Romania. Come through the door, right? Come through the door. I wouldn't sit outside, guys. I sit more inside because there's a lot of pigeons. Come through the door, right? You got Pizza Romania. They got all types of food here. If you got kids, you can bring your kids to play over there, but you got pizza, cooking pizza. They got cerveza on deck. Suave. And pizza's good, but I'm staying away from the carbs, guys. Can't be doing that. And then we got the Pollo Victoria. You got the options here, guys. You got good fried chicken, so to speak. I'm gonna try it and see what it's like. But yeah, it looks tender. Most of the time, Dominican food is good, so you don't have to worry about it being not really as good as usual, like the stateside. But all Dominican chicken's usually good because they don't have them steroids. So you got this right here, Presidente on deck. Like I said, I wouldn't go out there with the pigeons, but I will definitely sit here and you can actually be able to enjoy your food right here. Okay, guys, I wasn't gonna try out the food, but I was like, you know what? If I put out that video, this video like this with the regular just showing around, it's gonna be short as hell, shorter than me. I'm 5'6". So let me show y'all what the chicken looking like. Look at the chicken. You know what I mean? Look at that. You know, let's get a taste of this. Look at this. Oh, it's burning my hands. Oh my God. I have a 3rd-degree burn. You see what I'm saying? Do it for the thumbnail. Do it for the thumbnail. Right there. You know what I mean? Do it for the thumbnail. Like that. You know what I mean? Keep it for the thumbnail. Alright, that's good. Alright, now let's see. We got some hot sauce, you know. Gotta get some hot sauce. I'm scared to try it on this hot sauce. They probably gave me some real hot sauce. Ooh. Yeah, it's cooked to the bone. We got about 30 minutes, 25 minutes to eat this. You know, you guys know I eat fast, so that's gonna be nothing. This is burning my hand. Jesus Christ. You see the steam, man? Y'all can see the steam? Y'all see the steam? I don't know if y'all can see the steam. Look at the steam. Coming, man. Alright, let me get this right. So, I guess I was right. As always, Dominicans do have one of the best chicken. It's probably because they don't have all that crap in it. Like the girl yours say. Guys, I didn't get any fried. I'm trying to stay away from the carbs. This fried already is bad enough. It's good. Yeah, it's not bad. All right, let me see it. Let me get this. Alright. So, I got you a hot sauce, right? Let me show y'all. See the hot sauce. It's kind of black. Oh man, I dripped it. Kind of black. Messed up the table. Look at me. Alright. Put that right there. Alright. We're gonna try this and dip it in some hot sauce, guys. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. Man, this stuff is hot, man. Guys, when you eat this, I suggest y'all do something 5 minutes prior, because this is steaming hot. I don't know if you can see the steam. It's like steam coming out, right? Okay. Hot sauce ain't that hot. It's alright. I thought this was gonna be flaming hot sauce. But it's more like you know what it's more like? You know that Chinese food, General Toso? That's what the sauce tastes like, General Toso. You guys like that stuff? You can get it, but I probably just gonna eat this raw. Not literally, but without the sauce. I thought they had real picante like hot sauce, man. Some told me I should have left my hot sauce at the hostel. Should have brought it with me if I knew this, but whatever. It's all good. Chicken fillet one, you know what I mean? So we aight. You know what I mean? Chicken fillet one. But yeah, this is Pollo's Victoria. So y'all, Pollo's Victoria. You know what I mean? That's where you want to come to, for that good chicken. Right across from Caribe Express, where you catch the bus, go to Puerto Plata from Santiago, or you can go to La Vega. I actually was gonna go to La Vega today, guys, but I was like, man, I can't be BSing around, because I think I'm gonna end up going to Santo Domingo and BSing around. So I don't want to miss the carnival, guys, in Brazil. Also, too, I want to get there early enough before carnival, because I know the price is gonna be hectic, man. I'm gonna be taking my head on. And I still ain't got no daggone money. But if you guys want to still donate, and the pinned comment will be my Cash App and my PayPal. That's if you want to do it. I mean, because I'm monetized, guys, but I haven't got my check yet, so still waiting on that. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. It's your boy Milano back at again. And I know what y'all probably thinking what I'm drinking. I'm drinking a Presidente Light, something light, you know what I mean? But hit that like, subscribe, share. Holla at your boy. He's back here again like he never left. Holla.